You do? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna cry. I feel like I'm gonna cry. You have your. Hi, nice to see you.
Robin.
You're Robin?
Yes.
I'm Soojin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Come on. Really?
Who's your favorite person?
And Susu is.
Sit up. This is hard with nails.
Okay. Say hi.
Is this the one that we came up, or is this?
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay? Is it Jay or Jaden?
Jaden.
Jaden, but both work, right? Mm-hmm. How old are you? You're 4. Look at you, you're all grown up, man. No? Yeah? No? Yeah?
Earlier he was talking about when he turns back to 3. I said, you're not gonna turn back to 3, you're gonna go to 5.
You want to go back to 3? Why? What's good about 3? Is that what you want?
When I'm 3,
Mm-hmm.
I can pass my brother.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that so? It's so cute. Ah, you're so adorable. I should come more often, right?
Mhm.
Or you should come visit me. Do you want to visit Seoul, Korea? Do you know where I live? No. It's somewhere called Korea. It's some other country. Ooh.
Say, nah, the only important country is America.
Nah.
Mm-mm.
I'm home.
Different house.
No, I've been here, no?
You've been in this?
Yeah.
She came right after we had moved.
Oh, okay, remember. Yeah.
Do I get to meet Ever?
She's here. She's old. Hey, there's kids.
Hi, neighbors. Ever!
Gigi, you wanna see my room?
Yeah, sure. Kelsey.
You're gonna stay in his room,
Okay, let me go see. Did it get changed?
Uh-huh.
Home. Now I can sleep for the next 24 hours.
Oh, don't worry. You'll wake up when you hear those fireworks going off here.
Oh, it hasn't been New Year yet here.
Right?
Because in Korea it
Yeah, she
passed.
just had it. You get to celebrate it twice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Kelly.
What do you think? Cute. Turned out okay?
What?
Ow, you're
I
not
love
in here. Get
I
out.
love the smell of this house.
What?
I missed it so much.
I don't even know what it smells like.
It smells like Rizinda's family house. No, it doesn't.
Hold the rail. Hold the rail.
No.
He's going down.
No, it's only for Alyssa.
Right?
Oh no. Oh no. I see my face.
Oh, that's a really cute.
Aww. Where'd you get the picture?
I just,
You just took it off Facebook?
yeah, I did.
She was there.
I secretly
You were
did.
there. They just didn't
She's
see
in the
you.
background taking pictures.
Thank
It is.
You're
That'll go
very
right on her
I love
welcome.
this picture.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank
Did
you.
I write it right though on the back?
Or for where? Yeah. Oh no, you didn't. You messed it up.
No, I did not. Do you like it? Show me what you're eating.
Did you see the other
고래밥.
Whale food.
Whale food.
Well, I just want to make sure you got it.
How come are you so cute? Are you my one and only nephew? There's a car. Be careful.
Just go across.
Hop. Kroger.
Look what I can do.
What can you do? Show me. Are you showing me? What are you doing?
I'm holding this with my arm.
Oh, you're holding the bag with your arm.
Normal!
Huh?
Normal!
Do what?
Normal!
Norval? Is that the name of the fish?
Look, it has a sparkly horn.
What's Norval?
Narwhal.
Narwhal.
It's the type of fish.
That's like it's like a dolphin but with a horn.
Yeah.
He's awkwardly smiling at the camera.
And eating. Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay.
It gets cold.
It's cold. Yeah, it actually hasn't been cold at all. It's like it was yesterday it started.
But like last year, didn't it snow?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's scary.
No.
Scary world.
Never know.
What's the smell? Fire?
Fireworks.
I'm
popping.
I'm excited.
Oh my god.
Oh, are you giving a hug? Oh, Grandma. Aww.
Oh, Jay, don't get all in her face. Oh my goodness. This is funny.
Woohoo. I'm doing New Year's twice.
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
That's some Uncle Carrot cornbread I just made.
Really?
It's got crawfish and andouille sausage in it.
Oh, I'm so trying it.
Crawfish cornbread.
Yes.
I don't know. We're about to kick her out.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You haven't changed the bed.
You've been out there running around with wild men.
Changed the bed a little.
I know.
How is it by
I bought this years ago.
What is it?
Laugh out loud. She looked everywhere last time she came for Big Daddy.
I think I bought that Madison.
Big Daddy. You got something else.
And then
Did you just skip this?
No.
No, it's hers.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Bag.
That's a bag? Okay. Did you peek? All right, don't you peek. All right, close your eyes. Close your
I
eyes.
did not peek.
Close your eyes.
They did not peek.
Okay, close your eyes. Don't peek. You opened your eyes.
That looks good.
You might need to ask Mama.
Sure. I'm still hoping, right?
I know you're gonna eat that. Yeah, give me a second. Do not.
All that stuff in Grammy's
You
out of
have to eat it over the plate and don't get crumbs everywhere, okay? Okay?
Which one are you gonna do? Here? Left?
You're gonna do this one.
Okay, I'm gonna do your left. You do right. There you
I
go.
bought
I'm doing it
16
right.
green glasses
Yeah.
from IKEA. They were 60 cents each.
Do it from here.
Really
Good,
sit
good,
in
good.
the cabinet.
Scoochy, scoochy.
You just don't use that kind of stuff very often.
Perfect. Look at you.
No, this is for sure.
You did it all right.
Campaign.
All right.
My foot's like, hey, I want to help. My foot's like, hey, I want to help you.
And your shoes?
I
That
don't
one
think
goes here. It's here.
I'm thinking that.
It's here. It's here. No, 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 no. It's here. See?
You're doing wrong.
I'm doing it wrong?
I'm glad I made hers. Nobody else's.
Right. You're doing right.
Right? Are we done? Give me a 5. Where are you going? Give me a 5. Oh, you're giving me a hug. No. Give me a 5.
Sujin, you want one?
Perfect. Oh, sure.
What?
I won't say no.
It's Belgian beer.
Belgian beer.
I love Belgian beer.
It tastes like a sweet wine though.
Happy New Year. Are you not gonna drink?
Nah, wait, I'm already tired and I gotta drive.
Woo! Woohoo! Here it comes.
Pretty.
Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year. Okay, you guys' moment. Jaden, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Was it going?
Yeah.
Let me video this one.
Oh, A. Sorry. Yeah, you're good. Is it A? Yeah.
I think.
Oh.
Okay, come on.
I was about to say why are you holding the remote,
Okay.
but then I realized.
Oh, no.